Hey guys, it's AJ. So today I am at Barnes & Noble right now. My mom's gonna pick me up, and we're gonna go to Nature Gaming's house, aka Dan. And at Barnes & Noble, I got some Walking Dead graphic novels, and I did get one for him because it's his birthday. So the ones that I got for myself are No Way Out, Volume 14, and then I got Volume 15, We Find Ourselves. That was it? Yeah, that's what it says. And then I got one more for me. It is Volume 24. It's called Life and Death. So guys, we are just waiting for my mom right now. And the Walking Dead novel I got from my friend is the very first one. I think he's gonna like it because he's a big fan of The Walking Dead. So I'll see you guys when I get into the car. Okay guys, I am in the car right now, going to Nature Gaming's house, aka Dan. And I will see you guys when I get there. Okay guys, I'm at Nature Gaming's house right now. I just got out of the pool. I don't know where he's going right now.
I think I'm mostly dry. You're fine.
So, hey, Adam. Yeah, say hi to Adam. Go, Dad. Dad.
You're not doing it up here. Why?
Say hi to the 101s.
Yeah, that's just going through my head.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do this.
That's what fan base did now. The 101s. So I win Nature Gaming right now. Bro, say hi.
Hi.
And dude, happy birthday.
Thanks. It was actually Tuesday. Okay. Thanks.
Aren't you gonna do a vlog video for?
Yeah, when after I eat.
Okay.
Then come in and get yourself something.
I have a bunch of
So
three boats on the deck.
they have a really cool cat ride. So I'm just chilling here.
Oh, do you want to see the lizards?
I think I might trampoline.
You want to see the lizards?
Yeah, let's go for the trampoline. We're trying my best
I don't
to
know if I have any.
stay away from the pool because I don't want this to get damaged. Guys, that's a trampoline right there, and I'm going to it. I'm on the trampoline right now. It's actually pretty hot out. I'm not wearing a shirt. I actually like this day at my friend's house. And expect Nature Gaming to post if you guys do watch him. Please do. He's my best friend. Fun fact. Before we were best friends, we actually used to be like enemies back in the 5th grade. But then we became friends. And he's been my best friend ever since. Chilling on the trampoline. How long has this video been? 2 minutes and 32 seconds. I mean, this clip. That's what I'm picking right now. I don't know what we're gonna do right now. I'm just chilling like a villain. Jumping on the trampoline. Like I say, guys, today has actually been a really fun day. And tonight I'm going to the Paul McCartney concert. So if you guys like Paul McCartney, see me there. What? I'm just talking to Dan's sister. I got no idea what to do right now except for jump on a trampoline. Okay. I don't know what to do. So, here's the montage.
You can dance to me, so put your hands on my body and swing that round for me, baby. You know I love it when the music starts, but come on, shake that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm going to be doing a montage for Nature Gaming.
She gon' strip it down for it.
So I'm going to do a montage for the slipping slide for my channel and Nature Gaming's. Actually, not Nature Gaming's, just for me.
Rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold up my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance. I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold up my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance.
I just left Nature Gaming's house, aka Dan. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. Oh yeah, guys. I will possibly make a video at the Paul McCartney concert. I don't know. And if you guys want more videos with Nature Gaming, please comment that below saying I would like more videos with Nature Gaming. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.